Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. Quick update related to taxes. Now you have the ability to add automatic taxes, specifically in the US. You can set it up in a way where you give the product category and the regions that are gonna buy products from you, and it's gonna automatically calculate tax. So in this case, you set it up for, let's say you have one default category. You can change that. You can change the product or the tax category as you create a product itself under payments, right? This comes as like if you have several categories, right? Like athletic footwear and I don't know, maybe some other athletic equipment. Maybe there's some like digital products, whatever, right? And it's like different categories. So here under payments and settings, you're setting up the default one, but that's vital. First of all, enable it, set the category, and then select the regions, right? Click on it, just select whichever regions you're selling to, and then click save. And yeah, as I said before, on the product level, which is under payments, products, right? Go to products. Let's say you create a new product, or you can click on a previous product, right? Now you can go in, scroll down, and it was product tax code, right? So you can select it here, all the categories. It can get pretty complicated. It's all based on location and the product category itself. Some states it's simpler, some states it's more sophisticated or complicated, if you will. So if we check an example here, I don't remember which zip code it was, but it's in California. It's just, yeah, it automatically, once they fill out the first part of the form, which is the address, obviously that element needs to be present in the checkout form. You need to ask for their address, in this case, the country, state, and zip code, and the zip code needs to be correct for them to apply it, right? They just can't just put in any zip code, and it's not going to work. But yeah, they put in the information, and then this is a two-step form. Then on the second step, it's gonna this is all applied automatically. For the other countries, you have to do it all manual, right? You have to put stuff in. This one, it's all in here. So that's kind of a cool addition, and you don't have to worry about it basically with American clients. Go check it out. It's under payments, settings. You click on it, and then it's taxes over here. All right, go set it up. Basically, just click a couple of buttons, select states and then territories, and which category by default. But yeah, this one, as you create a product, this one that you select, the tax category, this will override the default one, just so you know. If you leave this as is, then it will be the default one. So you don't have to go in and, go in every product now. If you have like 50 of them, you don't have to edit all of them. You can just set the default one, and then you can go into the individual ones and, change the category where necessary. But, if it matches the default one, then you don't have to do it. So just so you know. But yeah, that's the short version of it. If you have any questions, down below, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. And yeah, anything funnels, this stuff, anything Funneltopia related. And also, if you are a VIP client, you can schedule a VIP call. If it's more than a question or two, this will probably be quicker. But if you have no questions, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.